Just wanna see the light.
Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how you can free up storage, more than 100 gigabytes on Windows 10. To clean up the storage, first you have to open Setting. Setting can be opened either from right corner or the taskbar, or from the Start menu. You just have to type Setting on Start menu. After Setting Apps is opened, click on System. Now, from System Settings, choose Storage. And again click on Temporary Files. Windows will take some time to check the unused files from your PC. After the scanning is completed, choose the files that you want to remove from your PC. Let us open our File Explorer to check if the disk spaces increases after the process is completed. Finally click on Remove Files. Now, it will take some time to delete unnecessary files that you have selected. During this process you can check if your disk free space is increased or not. You can also free up space automatically by enabling Storage Sense. Here you can set the time to run Storage Sense automatically. You also can choose the time period to delete your temporary files. Thank you for watching. Does it free up some space in your computer, or it just end up with some unknown result? Please comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.